Hi there, it's me Ashik once again before you. So in this video, I want to show you how you can hide some elements in front of guest user, okay, using CSS. So here is leave a reply. I want to show it in when someone actually logged in. That means I'm an administrator and any other who are already logged in, just they can actually uh, see this leave a reply button, and in front of other people this reply button will be hidden. Okay, so for this one we need to do what? We need to simply just write the code. We need to just click on here, then inspect element, then we need to select the code of this one. Okay, this is the exactly the name. So uh, this is the thing. I need to just copy this one, and 100% it we can see the same name. We have two buttons. That means we need to hide the last child. Okay, the last child. If I just make it display none for checking, yeah, it's working. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to simply just copy this one. Okay, then we will have a code snippet, or we can use additional CSS. So I am using code snippet. It's come from WP code plugin. So if I just go to code snippet and let's click on here essential add-ons, sorry, essential codes. I have just created these things before. Now this will be CSS. We need to just paste it here, active this one, then we need to simply again paste here, and this will be block, and in front of here we need to write logged, then in. Now this one, in front of this we need to add a class name log.in, then we will update this one. Okay, now first uncheck this one and update this page, and let's remove the cache. Okay, now if I just refresh this page, okay, I can see the leave a reply page. If I just visit this page in a incognito mode, let's refresh it from here, then I can see leave a reply also as a guest user. Now if I just active this one and update this one, and again if I just remove the cache, okay, then let's refresh this page. I can see this leave a reply page is showing. Now if I just refresh the guest user window, then I can see the code is already hide, the elements is already hide. So I think you understand. That's it for now. Thank you so much.